Hello, today I'll be showing you how to replace an iPhone 6 Plus battery. As you guys can see that this battery is overcharged, that's why you see the screen lifting up. We will start by unscrewing the two bottom screws on the bottom of the phone. And start from the left side and make your way up to the right side and lift up. Unscrew the 5 screws that are holding down the cables. Go ahead and take the metal shielding. Now disconnect the 4 ribbon cables. Now unscrew the 2 screws that are holding down the battery cable and the charging port cable in place. Take out the metal shielding. Go ahead and disconnect the battery ribbon cable. Go ahead and get some tweezers and pull down the 3 tabs that are holding the battery in place. Make sure you take your time. Once you take out the 3 tabs with the adhesive, the battery should pop out with no problem. Go ahead and get some adhesive and put it where the battery used to be so the battery could be in place. Go ahead and grab your new battery. Put some pressure on it so the adhesive can stick to the battery. Then go ahead and connect the battery connector. Go ahead and grab the metal shielding that was holding down the battery ribbon cable and the charging port cable. Go ahead and put your 2 screws back on. Now go ahead and put the 4 ribbon cables back, then the 5 screws. Go ahead and start from the top, then make your way down. Go ahead and screw the 2 bottom screws back in. Now press the power button and test if it works. As you can see that the screen is not popping up anymore. Thank you for watching.